Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video we're going to make butter chicken. So you're going to cut your 2 chicken breasts and you're going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, and a 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. And also you're going to add 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic and ginger, and you're just going to mix everything together like that.
I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. I know.
Once you're done mixing, you're just going to take cling wrap and cover your chicken, and you're going to marinate it in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Once you're done marinating it, you're going to bring a pan to heat and you're going to add some oil and you're going to cook your marinated chicken. So you can cook like 2 to 3 minutes per side, but you see that I really didn't have the patience, so I just ended up mixing it. But if you do that, then you know that for sure your chicken is going to be cooked. One thing that I like about this butter chicken recipe is that it comes together in a few minutes, and especially if you skip the marinating part. I really didn't marinate it for long, but then it depends how long you have, then you can marinate it for as long as you want. But yeah, it comes together in no time, and it's full of flavor, the coconut cream and all the spices mixed together. It was really delicious, guys. Like, I'm telling you, you definitely have to try it out. So once your chicken is cooked, just transfer it to a bowl, and then you're going to add about 1 tablespoon of butter into the pan. I removed all that burnt stuff in my pan, you see later on, because it just wasn't giving. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and then you're just going to cook. And then you're going to add 1 small diced onion, and you're just going to saute until it's soft. So once the onion is soft, just add about 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger and garlic. If you've got fresh, then you can use that. Mine is the one that I bought in the store, the one that's already packed. But if you've got fresh, you can use fresh. I'm sure like the flavor will be something else. And then now you're just gonna add the spices that we added when we were marinating. That's like paprika, cayenne pepper, and turmeric. Just gonna add that, mix everything together. After about a minute of cooking your spices, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of tomato puree and also half a cup of tomatoes, and you're just going to cook that for 2 minutes. We want our tomatoes to be cooked, so you're just going to cook that for about 2 minutes. When you see that your tomatoes are cooked, you're going to add about 3/4 cup of cream. This cup is not 3/4 cup, it's 1 cup, but then it was half. But you see that later on before I added the chicken, I added more cream. So that's why I'm saying just measure about 3/4 cup of the coconut cream, and then just add it. And you're just going to mix everything like that. And then once you're done mixing, you're going to add your chicken back into the pan, just like that, and you're also just gonna mix. After mixing your chicken with the fresh cream and everything, then you're gonna let it simmer for about 2 minutes. And once it's done simmering, you're going to add some coriander, just to give it, some color. Guys, can you look at that? Like, can you look at that? No, there's no way that you're gonna tell me that this is not delicious. This was so delicious. You really have to try it. Anyway guys, so that's the end of the video. The butter chicken was nice. I had it with some bread. I'm going to share the recipe in the next video. But thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.